Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to earn on SoundCloud. So before we start with that or go with that, you just have to go to any web browser and then kind of type SoundCloud and you just have to sign up. If you have an account already, just have to sign in and this is what it looks like. And also you can download SoundCloud on Google Play Store. You just have to open your Google Play Store, type SoundCloud and then install. Now, what is the SoundCloud? So, users can publish, stream, share, and advertise music and podcasts on SoundCloud, an online audio streaming and distribution platform. SoundCloud is available for free. However, paying subscriptions give users access to offline listening and ad free listening. Both iOS and Android have desktop and mobile apps for SoundCloud. Okay, so yes, you can just simply go to Google Play Store and tap this one. If it's compatible to your device, then you can install this one and you can start earning on SoundCloud. Though its different sharing capabilities, SoundCloud's interactive features enable creators, from musicians to podcasters, to interact with listeners and fans. Included in that is the function for which SoundCloud is likely best known, the well-liked comments option. Okay, so once you have downloaded or installed SoundCloud on your device, the next thing to do here is to simply go to the site. This is what we call Easy Lyrics. This one or the site will be very useful if you want to earn money on SoundCloud. So if you go to the site, you can simply search for any song with lyrics. Okay, so for example, you want to search for a Bruno Mars song. You can simply type the name there and then songs of Bruno Mars will appear. You just have to select the specific song that you like to know the lyrics. Okay, so going back to SoundCloud. Okay, so you just have to simply search for that specific song that you want to listen to. So let's just say a Bruno Mars song. Okay, if you're going to search for Bruno Mars song, you can see here music of Bruno Mars. And if you want to get the lyrics for that, you can just go to AZ Lyrics and search for the song. Now the question is, how are we going to earn money on SoundCloud? So knowing that we have the song already, we know where to get the song and we know where to get the lyrics. Then we can go to sites where we can simply combine this both music and lyrics. Okay, so on the following website, you can find a wide range of job opportunities to transcribe a lot of music. There are many different fields you could work in, such as transcription, captioning, and foreign titles or subtitles. So let's just say this site here. Okay. So how can we make money? Okay. Like what I said earlier, you can just simply earn money by just listening and transcribing the lyrics. Okay, so this is the best website to work from home and earn money by captioning or transcribing. The ability to work whenever you choose is this website's most amazing feature. And you can see here options like transcription, where you can convert your audio or video into text. And you can see there the money that you can earn per transcription. Okay, so that's it. That's the first site. We have here rev.com. So all you have to do is to go to SoundCloud and look for that music and sound and then go to Easy Lyrics and then that's it. Now Go Transcript. We have here Go Transcript services. Also, this site is a big help for you to earn money when it comes to transcription. Okay, so we have here, so you can earn from Go Transcript through transcriptions, captions, text translations, audio translation. That is from $8 per minute. Okay, that is the starting cost. or amount, foreign subtitles, and so on. Next site we have here is what we call O Transcribe. And it's the same thing with the first site, rev.com. Here you can simply transcribe any audio files. So all you have to do is to click this and then you can upload the file here, the audio here. Okay, or you can also enter the link. You just have to go to SoundCloud and copy the link and paste it right here. Okay, and then that's it. Now you can transcribe the audio or the file. So these are a few sites where you can earn money through listening to audio and transcribing it. Okay, so as you can see here, the main point is that SoundCloud is a big tool for you to search for the music that you want to transcribe. And Easy Lyrics is a big help or a good tool for you to search the lyrics of those songs. And then once you get that music from SoundCloud and lyrics from Easy Lyrics, then you can now proceed and earn money with the help of this website also. So that's it. And I really hope that it's clear to you on how you can earn money. You just have to know or get or listen to the music on SoundCloud and earn money with the help of Easy Lyrics and other tools. And before I end this video, one more thing. This site, DeepL, you can use this one if you want to translate any lyrics from one language to another language, which is also very useful. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.